A lot of people think you need millions of subscribers before you can start making money on YouTube. But in this video, I'm going to share exactly how much I make from PartnerStack, which is one of the affiliate networks that I work with, and show you that even though I only have 771 subscribers as of today, I still make thousands of dollars using PartnerStack and other affiliate networks. Let's just get into it here. I'm going to share my numbers with you so you get a better understanding of how this is possible and why you don't need millions and millions of subscribers, but that actually a few thousand subscribers might be enough to actually make a good annual income. So with that being said, let's get into it right here. So before we get into the numbers, I just want to talk a little bit about how you can also have success with your small channel. So you don't need to have millions and millions of subscribers, but you can actually make a good amount of money with a small channel like mine. And the reason for that is that when you have a small channel, you can have a small audience, but with a high intent. That's kind of the way to be successful, I think, with a niche channel. That is to say, okay, I'm focused on this niche subject and I'm gonna make technical videos about it. I'm gonna show, every little corner that is of this space that I'm talking about. And then this way you will get a very niche, high intent audience. A few thousand subscribers or views can actually make you have a decent income from YouTube. All right, let's slowly get into the numbers, but before I reveal the exact amount of money that I made with PartnerStack here on my YouTube channel, I'm gonna talk a little bit about how I started out and what companies I've been working with. I think back in August or September of 2025, that's when I signed up for PartnerStack. So that's kind of 9 months ago now. And one of the companies that I saw back then was Deal. And Deal I already knew from before because I'd used them for my visa and also for payroll and other things. So I felt, okay, this makes a lot of sense. I can try to make some content about this, I can reach out to them. This makes a lot of sense to start out with. Also, I found a company called Dula, which is focused on opening a US business as a foreigner, which also was something that was in my space as being a person from Europe that have opened a business in the US and all. So that also made a lot of sense to me to try to focus on this. As an example, with Deal, they would pay me $500 per sales qualified lead, as they call it, and then $1,500 if I would actually generate a sale. And it sounds really amazing at first, but the tricky thing there is with this is that, again, it is a big decision to make. So for example, getting a visa to the US is something that takes a long time to actually decide on. It might sound good at first, but it can also be actually very difficult to make those conversions. And the same with some other partners. Now I'm just using Deal as one example. And then I just make different videos. I can show you some of them here where I talk about visas, one here where I talk about payroll, and then one here with Dula about starting a business in the US. And then also other ones, some was on the PartnerStack network, but also other networks. So that was kind of different ways that I would start promoting things basically. Before we continue with this video, can you do me one big favor and hit the like and subscribe? That will help me so much make more videos like this. Thank you so much, and let's continue with this video right here. And I can just quickly show you how this works in PartnerStack. So, because I guess one of the reasons why you are watching this video is because you are thinking to use PartnerStack, or maybe you're already using it, but you're not getting the conversions you want, and you're looking okay, how are other people doing it? So when I get in here to the dashboard, I have an overview of the different companies I work with. I have one here, as I said, there's Deal, Dula, something called Spucket, Sales, Messages, Nickel, Plesk, and so many other ones. Some of them I've just signed up for and I didn't really make any contact with them. Some of them I've been talking with and potentially in the future will make some videos about. So that's the existing ones. But then also if I go here to discover partnerships, well then I can see all sorts of companies here. For example, here you can see there is Dula, there's Gusto, and then Deal, as I mentioned before. And then down here there's a lot of other ones. You can take here top ones. And then I have different ones that is performing well right now, and then you can have a look. You can go to each one. You can see, okay, earn $75 per lead, earn 22% commission, and of course a lot of these sounds amazing at first, but of course you need to be aware, you need to understand, okay, how difficult will this actually be to convert first of all. And then I think also it's asking yourself, do you really understand and believe in this product? Because if you're not really going to believe in the product, or you don't really want to make a good video about it, or be fully invested, well then the viewers can see. And that's also why I kind of decided to just stick with a few companies and then try to make a lot of content about it and really try to do my best to give something authentic, something real. But basically that's how that is. And kind of my workflow, and then also I've been in contact with different companies, sometimes talking about, hey, is it possible to get a small fixed fee because it takes time to make the video, can you combine it with some commission, or if they could give a unique promo code or unique link. So different ways, try to be in contact with the different companies basically to optimize things and make my campaigns more unique and not too generic basically. Because I think that's really important also today, especially with AI everywhere. It is important that you have your own personal touch to things basically. But let's get into it now. I guess that's why you're watching this video. You want to see the numbers. So again, as I said, I can't share every single detail, but what I can show you here is that here is the different companies that I work with. You can see the different clicks. For example, there's one here that have 1,400 clicks, another one 564 clicks, then there's one with 17. And in general, it's not because I have that many clicks or activity, but again, as I said earlier on, the good thing with using an affiliate network like PartnerStack is that it is more high-ticket items, more invested viewers that watch this. I mean, I guess the reason why you're watching this is because you're investing time figuring out, okay, I want to make more money. How can I do that? Is PartnerStack the right one? And that's a person that is willing to learn, a lot more invested versus someone who's just looking to buy some sneakers or some entertainment on YouTube. Very, very different. And that's why I think that even though it's not so many clicks, because again, also my channel is small, but the quality of these clicks are high. And that's the important thing, I think, in all of this. Also, when you're starting out on YouTube, is, it's not about the amount, but really the quality of the views that you have. But basically, this is how it looks here. And then if we go down here to the bottom, the total that I made since I started out in August is $9,159.88 from my YouTube content using PartnerStack. So that is, and PartnerStack have been the best platform for me. I've also made money from Impact and AWN and also a few other things, but these have been the best performing thing for me. So I guess in round numbers, I made like around $1,000 a month using PartnerStack with my YouTube content. So it's really not a lot of money still, but of course my goal, and I think also, I guess also what you're in the process of, is that of course, if you first can get these, that's a good small win, but then later on, what if it's possible to get 5 times as many views or 10 times as many views? Well, then maybe it is $90,000 in 9 months. If it would be 10 times as much. That is how it looks for me. That's how much I made here from PartnerStack. And also one thing that I could just share with you here is that in the beginning, I would make, like $200, $500, $600, $800, and then now it's more like $2,000, $2,500. So that's why I think 12 months ahead from now will be much higher than the previous ones. Really, it's been a good process for me, and I hope really that if this video is popular and I'm gonna do a follow-up video, well then hopefully next time it will be 2, 3, 4, 5 times more that I've made through PartnerStack. So that's just to show you how much I made here from PartnerStack. I think PartnerStack is an amazing affiliate network to use if you make content that is more in the B2B space. You talk about tech, AI, other things that is relevant in this space. Well, then it makes a lot of sense to sign up to PartnerStack basically. So I think this covers it for this video. I hope it gave you some insight and motivation and understanding on how this works and that it is actually possible. Also, again, because I think a lot of people are very focused on just getting 1,000 subscribers on YouTube and make money this way. But if you have 1,000 subscribers, you're maybe gonna make, I don't know, $50 a month from your videos, because you need a lot more views before you're actually gonna make real money from your YouTube views. It will be more the affiliate way, where you will make money basically. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to hit the like and subscribe. That will help me so much to make more videos like this. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye bye.